Welcome back to day 78. Stop scrolling and start serving. So on our day 78 of our Confidence to Cash Daily Sprint, I want you to understand today's message is so simple, but it's powerful. If you want to grow online faster, you must stop scrolling and start serving. The one shift can change your entire business when you do this. When you come online as a creator, not a consumer, everything changes. Most people get stuck in the scroll trap, comparing themselves, watching what everyone else is doing, or looking for motivation instead of creating momentum. But the people who grow, the people who build income and impact, the people who actually change their life with digital marketing are the ones serving their audience, not consuming everyone else's content. When you stop scrolling, you gain more clarity, more confidence, more time back, has more space to create content that connects and converts. So serving isn't about being perfect. It isn't about being an expert. It's about showing up with value, heart, and intention. So here's today's simple shift. Number 1, set a 15-minute scroll limit today. Give yourself permission to step back from consuming. Number 2, use the saved time to create one small piece of content, a 20-second reel, a quick tip, a simple encouragement post. And number 3, ask yourself, how can I serve someone today? Maybe it's teaching a step that you've learned, encouraging someone who's feeling stuck, or sharing a mistake that you made so that they don't repeat it. So, small acts of service equals big audience trust. Remember this, friends. Your audience doesn't need perfection. They need connection. They need someone who shows up, someone who leads, and someone who serves. When you take the focus off yourself and place it on the people that you're here to help, your confidence grows, your clarity grows, and your business grows. So here is today's challenge. Comment below, serve, if you're choosing to show up with an intention today. And download day 78 worksheet. It'll help you shift from scrolling to serving with a simple daily plan. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss day 79. We're going to talk about how to create content even when you don't feel inspired. You don't want to miss this one, my friend. See you tomorrow.